All right now everybody, welcome back to the tree service here. I'm back at this pile of wood and I wanted to take care of these two little maple logs, this one and this one for sure. It's just some good wood to buck up and make into firewood. It splits easy, it dries fast, it burns nice and bright. It's just a good all-around firewood. It does have a real unique smell to it. Some of you firewood guys may know it's not necessarily a good smell or a bad smell. It just smells like maple. It's like you break it open, it smells like the inside of a living tree. It's not like an oak or a cherry or something, but that's the only thing about it. It's got kind of a weird smell, but anyways, that goes away real fast, and it's not a pungent smell like the cottonwood that I was dealing with. Anyways, I'm just going to buck up a truckload of this wood and get it out of here, like I said, before something happens to it, and that's kind of going to be the video today. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Look at all these gorgeous wood chips in here. So springtime is in the air. I've been getting a lot of interest in the wood chips. It's a great springtime thing to sell, a nice forestry product, and you can see the tree service has just made a steaming dump right here today. They probably dumped that before they went to work today. And there's just so much decomposition that goes on inside those wood chips. I mean, a nice cool morning like today, they'll just be steaming away. They start breaking down immediately. So there's some pretty rough chips in there in that one, but those are wood chips, so kind of neat. And then there's just wood all down through here. If you can look down, the sun's blocking it, but there's more cottonwood down there and maple and all kinds of stuff down there. So we may deal with that wood one day and get some of it, but right now, I mean, it's just, you can see the ground right here where their trucks have been driving. That's how that whole area is, all down through there. So it's kind of tough to drive in there and get that wood out of there, but maybe this summer when everything gets firmed up real good, I mean, you can just see that ground how it is. When everything gets firmed up real good, I might get in there and buck up some more of that wood down there. You never know. There's just so much wood, it's ridiculous. I don't even really need that wood, but he wants it gone. He needs a place to put it too, and trying to get rid of it. So I might help him out, but I mean, there's just wood all over the darn place. I don't know where that camera's pointing. Anyway, so I got so much wood, it gives me anxiety. You know what I'm saying? I want to go and make all the wood, and it takes so long. Just bucking up those couple logs today will be a truckload, and there's hundreds more truckloads. So anyways, I'm gonna get going, get my saw out, and start bucking some wood. Okay, so I got all kinds of wood bucked up. I kind of made a trail and it just goes all down through there, and there's all kinds of wood. So I'm gonna get to splitting this stuff, and some of it was just cut weird, like those right there, that piece with the cut down the center of it, that'll break in half when you go to split it, so it's just kind of a waste right there, but I'll try to see what I can do with it. And anyways, that's just part of the game. There's another piece, that piece right here has a big funny angle on it. That's a crotch, and it was cut up 10 different ways from Sunday, so I tried to make wood out of it, and it all broke up when I was in the middle of sawing it, so it's just kind of a chunk of nasty wood. I might try to take a few pieces of firewood out of it though. Okay, so here's my load of wood today. It's maple and mulberry, and that's the rest of my wood. I split a whole tank of gas of wood, so I got that pile there and everything that's in my truck, which is over a rick and a half of wood in there. It's stacked in there pretty heavy. So once again, thanks for watching. I've put a little dent in this pile. The tree service just stopped by, and Mike said he just wants this stuff out of here. So I've made a little bit of progress on this area. Now there's still a lot of wood here, and more work to be done. So I mean, just look at it all. Look at that big piece of crap right there, a big piece of dead maple. I mean, that's just some dry burning wood. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. This ash right here is pretty bad. I cut a few pieces of it. That's it right there, but it is a little bit light. The center of it is rotten, so you kind of got to cut around the rotten part, but you can make a little wood out of it. So, all right, I'm done rambling now. I'll catch you guys later.